Okay, I just stumbled upon some strange behavior on the ROG Ally. Basically, when I try to join Elite, I'm getting some pop-ups that only last for like a split second. Then I end up in this error screen, unable to connect due to an unknown network error. And this keeps happening. I can't escape. I can't get out. I can't even get to like where I'm supposed to go. Could be account related. I used to have a ROG subscription. It could have expired, so maybe that could have something to do with it. So to get there, you just click on this profile button and then you click on Join Elite. So you have to be you have to be signed in first. So I'm already signed in, and on this next page, my products page, I also tried to I tried to register, right? Just to see. So when I try to register, I also get an error message that, okay, rather I'm not getting an error message, but rather I can't even click on submit, right? The serial number is automatically getting filled up, but I can't even click on submit. So basically we're at a dead end. So just to show that we actually have internet connection and it's not a network error. Okay, let's try to open one of the news items here. So it's loading. And in the background, we're actually downloading Plague Tale. It's actually paused, so that's fine. But has anyone else had similar issues? How did you fix it? Is there a fix? I'd like to know.